Depending on which part of the market you are referring to. If you look at market purely from the lens of what's happened to an IRCTC, how IEX has moved, the selling which we've seen or the unwinding what we've seen in some of the metal stocks in last 2 days, yes, this market surely is showing signs that it is peaking out or momentum in the short term seems to be reversing. Nifty has not seen any large collateral damage, and banks have managed to outperform in this fall, and IT is done reasonably well. So it's not like the entire market is on the butcher block, but yes, a very large pocket which in a sense had seen parabolic move. Some of those stocks are simply aligning to their means. Expensive, overowned, very illiquid stocks in a sense have seen parabolic moves, and I guess somewhere that mean adjustment or that skim from the top I think is visible. So if you are with some of those stocks, yes, last 2 days this market has been quite painful, but the Nifty and the collateral damage there is not large. The second aspect is, which you just mentioned, that why markets are not responding to numbers. And I guess the answer to that, Aisha, is simple, that look, in the run up to this earnings season, market expectations were very high. Market or stock levels were also very high. Now that's not a great combination, especially when you are in an earnings season where you know that the underlying value of corporates is getting exposed because of cost pressures. So it was, or it is rather, a situation of strong run up in stock prices and high expectations. So even if numbers are in line with estimates or they are marginally below estimates, I guess those stocks in a sense are getting completely crushed. We saw this phenomenon getting played out with DMart, Jubilant Foodworks, and perhaps it could be Havells today. It is indeed a very big landmark. The fact that in less than a year, India has administered 100 crore vaccine shots, it's an incredible feat. And I think it's really the vaccine drive of India, or the successful vaccine drive of India, which has in a sense been the big reason why as a country and as an economy we are amongst the fastest in the world to come back. If at all the COVID crisis has made the digital business of India or the IT business of India more relevant, the fact that we've administered so many dosages has led to normalization of economic activity. The fact that after the setback which we got in the second wave, how the government machinery was able to distribute and was able to administer dosages is again a clear indication that why so far, touch wood, there is reason to believe that the third wave will not haunt us. And that in terms of a appeal factor, Aisha, just endorses India's ability on the manufacturing side. I mean, imagine a situation if India did not have that kind of a manufacturing setup for vaccines, then hell would have broken loose. But the fact that India, we have the capability and the ability to manufacture, distribute, and also administer so many dosages, I think it's nothing short of a miracle. Trust me, it's nothing short of a miracle. Producing vaccines is one thing, but in a complex, large country like India, if you're able to administer that, I think that is an incredible feat. So we should be very proud of this number. We should be very excited about this achievement. On the medical front, it is nothing short of a miracle. And also this is one big reason why I feel that India, we suffered. We had scary moments. The second wave was nothing short of a scary moment. But the fact that we've come out, we've got a very healthy number in terms of the number of people who are vaccinated. The number I think is at about 68-69% of adult population has got one shot. I think the 28-29% of Indians have got second shot, which means they are fully vaccinated. That is the reason why now you can feel that life has normalized. You still have to wear your mask, you still have to be careful, COVID is not done, but it is this incredible achievement on the vaccine drive which I think is the reason why where we are today.